Hi friends, my name is Ajay Tandel. My micro project name Analysis Good and Bad Features of Apple AirPod 2. Content Introduction, aim of project, literature review, brief description of project, good features of AirPod 2, bad features of AirPod 2, actual procedure follow, output of the micro project, skill develop, learning outs of this micro project, application of micro project, area of features important, reference. Introduction. Apple in October 2019 debuts the AirPod Pro, a high-end version of its existing AirPod with a unique design, noise cancellation technology, better sound and more expensive $249 price tag. Apple says that with the AirPod Pro, the company is taking the magic of AirPod even features with the AirPod Pro to be sold alongside the lower cost AirPod 2. The AirPod Pro looks similar to the original AirPod but feature a wider front to accommodate silicon tip for comfort, fit and noise cancellation purpose. Tip come in three sizes to fit different ears. Active noise cancellation is a key feature of AirPod 2 using two microphones, one outward facing and one inward facing, along with advanced software to adapt to each ear for what Apple say is a uniquely customized superior noise cancelling experience. Aim of micro project to analyze the good and bad features of AirPod 2, to study all information about good features of AirPod 2, to study bad features of AirPod 2. Literature survey. Apple in 1997 Think Different marketing campaign was one of the most memorable ever. Billboards and banners feature hug black and white portraits of performers, artists, scientists, and political leaders whose outside ideal eventually become mainstream. The implicit message was that Apple essentially great product were for quick rebel to would one day dominate the world. The photo of Steve Jobs on the cover of his posthumous biography would have fit right in. The Apple of today is turning its back on that creative class. Apple no longer decision for creating of digital media who tends to be very demanding about product quality. Instant Apple built for consumer in both sense of the word. People who spend their own money rather than their compassion and people who consume digital media as opposite to people who produce it on digital compassion has made Apple widely profitable, but the company products have trends downwards in quality, flexibility and even reliability. Brief description of project. Good features of Apple AirPod 2. Superior audio quality. The sound quality of the audio is amazing. The sound quality of Apple AirPod is comparable to the Apple AirPod. The Apple AirPod is much better. The bass of the AirPod is better clear. Most important, Apple AirPod 2 in has support ACC sound, provide that ACC sound listening, moving and watching video has provide better experience and good quality. Easy of use. Connection the AirPod to any Apple device is as effortless as can be. All you need to do it take them out of the box, complete a one setup and the AirPod will always be connected to your specific Apple device. Using the AirPod is just easy. They will turn off automatically when put them in your ear. High level of comfort. The AirPods are designed to fit most ear type so they can be used by just about anybody. They sit inside the ear snugly, not too tight that they cause pain or discomfort over long period of time, but also not loose enough that they constantly fall out of the air. Connectivity. Connection of AirPod to is much easier. The AirPod automatically connect with your iPhone when you open the lid in close proximity to the phone. Some images of AirPod 2. Bad features of Apple AirPod 2. Apple AirPod 2 is very expensive. AirPods are the Apple company version of wireless headphone. The devices are reputed for being much more expensive than the majority of other headphone brands. While some consumers maintain that they were worth the extra cost, others do not understand what makes them so special that they command a far high price. Charging case. Apple AirPod 2 charging only by using charging case. Without that case, we cannot charge the AirPod. So, charge AirPod compulsory carrying charging case. Hard to control by Siri. There are no control on AirPod, which make it very hard to change the volume or push a song. If you have your iPhone out, then of course you can easily control iTunes from the iPhone itself. But if your iPhone is in your pocket or backpack, the AirPods are practically useless when it comes to control iTunes. For example, if I want turn the volume up, I need to say, "Hey Siri, turn up the volume," and Siri will turn up the volume one notch. Actual procedure follow. First of all, I ask a project guide about our project. I went in cyber for collect the information, then start the making of project. Then I told all information about our project. I visit website, good and bad features of Apple AirPod 2 and collect the all information. I collect the all information about good and bad features of Apple AirPod 2. I want in cyber for typing our project report. Finally, my project is done. Output of the micro project. We study all information about good and bad features of Apple AirPod 2. Skill develop learning outs of micro project. Working with team member means teamwork skill develop between us during project. Good understanding, good bonding with the group member skill are developed under working with the team. Making project under group with the help of group member skill develop. All communication skill is developed. Area of future improvement. After successfully completion of this project, we will able to solve or analyze good and bad features of any kind of product. Application of micro project. To analyze good and bad features of various products to justify whether products is good or bad. References.